Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Finance Freedom. Today we've got something special for all you aspiring website owners and bloggers out there. We're diving deep into the world of Bluehost WordPress hosting, and trust me, by the end of this video you'll understand why it's the go-to choice for millions. But before we jump in, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the latest tips and tricks. Now let's get started. So you've decided to create your own website or blog. Fantastic choice. But where do you start? That's where Bluehost WordPress Hosting comes into play. It's not just a hosting service, it's your digital foundation for success. Let's break down why. First up, performance. Bluehost is like the high-performance engine of the web hosting world. With top-notch servers, your website will load faster than ever, keeping your visitors engaged and satisfied. And you know what that means: higher rankings on search engines. Now let's talk user-friendliness. Bluehost's interface is a dream come true, especially for WordPress users. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, navigating through their dashboard is a breeze. Installing WordPress? It's just a click away. Security is non-negotiable in the online world. Bluehost takes it seriously. With advanced security features, SSL certificates, and automatic backups, your website is in safe hands. Say goodbye to sleepless nights worrying about cyber threats. As your website or blog grows, you need a hosting service that grows with you. Bluehost is scalable, meaning it can handle the traffic spikes as you become the next internet sensation. It's not just hosting, it's a partner in your success journey. Let's face it, sometimes we all need a little help. Bluehost's customer support is legendary. With 24/7 assistance via chat, phone, or email, you're never alone. They're not just hosting your website, they're supporting your dreams. Now, you might be thinking, all this sounds great, but is it affordable? Absolutely. Bluehost offers competitive pricing plans that won't break the bank. It's like getting a sports car for the price of a bicycle. Unbeatable value. So there you have it. Bluehost WordPress Hosting, your ticket to a seamless, powerful, and secure online presence. If you're ready to take your website to the next level, there's no better choice. We've left a link in the description below for an exclusive discount. Don't miss out. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy hosting. Don't forget to hit that like button, our channel Finance Freedom, and share this video with your fellow website creators. See you in the next video.